Hi, and welcome to the Family Eye Care Center, where Dr. Gary Bell has been providing the most up-to-date and thorough vision exams for over 38 years. Dr. Bell has expertise in treating all eye infections and diseases. Your vision health is important to us. With our new lab services, we can fill most eye prescriptions in one day. The Family Eye Care Center is full service with designer frames, specialty services, and repairs. Call today and speak to one of our friendly staff. Make an appointment, and you'll see what we've been saying is true. Family Eye Care, where we see our patients clearly. We're located at 807 West Grand Boulevard, Suite A in Corona. Or you can phone us at 951-735-1002. Family Eye Care.